Are you looking to get up to $100,000 in funding from credit unions? Watch this entire video. I'm going to give you a secret association that you need to join that is going to get you access to membership for credit unions that you can build a relationship with and ultimately get funding once you are ready. Let's get right into it. Now, if you are new here, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I cover personal credit, business credit, so much more. I have a credit community. You definitely want to join it. I've left a link below. Most importantly, share this information with a friend and check in the comments below. Let me know you're here. Let me know your goals, your wins. I want to hear from you how this information has helped you and has impacted you in a positive manner. Now, with this, don't over leverage yourself, okay? Let's only take on what we cannot take on, and let's leverage these funds to really build up and strengthen our credit profile, because the more positive trade lines that we can add to our credit profile, a higher value, the better and the more we will continue to get in the future, because the whole goal of this channel is to help you grow, change that mindset about credit. You might have to erase everything that you once thought or think about credit, because now is time to leverage this precious tool of credit and to allow yourself to join different credit unions that you may have never heard about in the past. And that's why this information is such a game changer, because you're like, hey, I've never heard of that place. Well, great. They might be the next bank to give you $50,000. You never know. So there's a lot of great credit unions out there besides Navy Federal. And let me just show you guys, by joining the American Consumer Council, you can go right to their website and use the promo code consumer and join for free. That's going to save you a little bit of nothing. I think it's only $8 or $15 to join without the promo code, but this will allow you to join the American Consumer Council, and that will give you instant access to the credit unions that are partnered with their firm, which is amazing, because a lot of times you wouldn't be able to normally join this, or you're going to have to jump through all these other hoops to join them. There's a video on it. You can watch that. But many credit unions have partnered with the American Consumer Council, which will allow their members to join. Now, here is a list of some of their members, definitely not all of them. And the process is very easy. Once you join the American Consumer Council, which we just call the ACC, you will get a certificate emailed to you with your name on it. And now you can qualify for their partnered credit unions. Now, data is always changing. Credit unions are changing things left and right. We never know what is what, right? You can try to reach out to the ACC and get an updated list of the credit unions that they are currently partnered with. But I've tried that and I didn't get a response from them. So I kind of had to do my own research and find some of these credit unions so you guys have more than enough to keep you busy. So make sure to take a screenshot of this, or you can just comment the word kit and get access to my free credit kit. And this presentation is inside of my free credit kit, absolutely free. All right. Now you will notice NASA Federal Credit Union is in here, but they are geographically restricted. And some of these, credit unions will be geographically restricted. So I recommend doing your due diligence and making sure that you would qualify for their funding programs, because you still might be able to join as a member, open up a bank account, but then you might not be able to participate or qualify for their funding programs. Because I know, like with NASA, they're great. I love them. But if you want their business credit card, you have to live in some of the qualifying states. So it kind of puts a damper on things. But there are tons of other credit unions that you can join. Check out this list here. I wouldn't open more than, 5 credit unions at a time. I would really stick to like 2 to 3 and then just guard it and work with those relationships for 6 to 12 months. And then you can apply for another 2 to 3, because having and managing all these different bank accounts is a lot, and you don't want to overdo it, because if you apply for a bank account and they use check systems, they're going to put an inquiry on your check systems. And if you get too many inquiries, too quickly on check systems or early warning, that can throw up some red flags, and you don't want that to happen. You want to fly under the radar. If for some reason you're denied a bank account, request a copy of your check systems report from checksystems.com and request a copy of your early warning report. These are the two data furnishing companies that report data for banking history. And if you have bad blood with the bank, you may not even realize it. You might just owe them $60 or something simple because it was just an account that closed and you didn't pay your fees. Whatever the case may be, you're just going to need to get your reports. If you see that it's a bank that you recognize, walk into that branch and pay it, or sit down with a banker to try to get this resolved. Sometimes they can waive certain fees, but sit down with a banker to get that amount resolved. So that way they will update it to 0, and that way it'll make all of those problems essentially go away. You can still dispute the account information with these data furnishers if it's not correct. They're just like the other 3 major credit bureaus. You can dispute information with them. Sometimes they make mistakes too. So back to the subject at hand here, there's tons of credit unions that you can choose from. And this is the 140K play. All right. Andrews, Pinnacle, Logix, First Tech, Patelco, PenFed. PenFed's only on the personal side. All right. Apple Federal Credit Union. If you can get into Apple Federal Credit Union, now the ACC is not going to get you into Apple Federal, but they are a great bank. And if you do qualify for membership, join. I've had clients that when it was easier to get in, you used to be able to just join another association to get you into Apple. Now they've changed things up. So you have to be in a territory or related to somebody, but go to their website, check it out, see if you can get in. And if you can, great. They give out up to $50,000 credit cards. They're wonderful. They pull from TransUnion, but same concept as building the relationship with Navy Federal. You want to just build the relationship, focus on 5 or more banking products, checking account, savings account, CD account. I know their CD accounts start at $50, so get a couple of those and focus on 5 or more banking products. You can even do a secured loan with them. So you're taking a loan out against the funds that are in your savings account. A lot of credit unions do that pledge loan. So if that's something that you're looking for, just to kind of build up to that, get those higher limits, leverage those pledge loans as a trade line on your credit report, you want to get with the banks that do offer it. PenFed is another credit union that offers that option as well. The funds just need to be in your savings account. All right. Alliant, Great River, Digital Federal Credit Union, DCU. Now, I will say DCU and First Tech are merging. So First Tech was number 4, and it'll be interesting to see kind of who takes the lead because, First Tech is an Experian credit union and DCU is an Equifax. So we'll see kind of how that goes. I always tell people, steer clear of joining banks that are merging just because you're really not sure what the future holds. And a lot of times when banks are going through a merger, they're not giving out a bunch of funding. Okay. They're going to wait until all that is completed and then they start giving out funding. So steer clear of those for now. Bethpage is really good. State Department, Federal Credit Union. And then, you've got all of these 14, well, actually 12 that you can potentially choose from, not to mention there's a ton here. Now, here is a tip. All of these type of credit unions that focus on service-based community, that is what we want to focus on. So police, fire, and like Navy Federal, they focus on service members. These credit unions, police and fire federal, they focus on service members. You want to find a few credit unions that you are with that focus on service members because they are going to fund them with a lower credit score. They're going to give higher limits, and it's just a better overall credit union because they really want to help their members. They know what their members are, part of. They support it fully. They generally don't require as high of a credit score. So those are kind of the credit unions that you want to focus on if you are, kind of lower on the credit score podium. All right. So those are the credit unions that I would focus on if my credit score were a lot lower, is the service-based, community-based, teachers, any sort of community worker, service worker. Credit unions that specialize in that really have your back, and you've got a ton to choose from here. Most important, you need to take action. All right, focusing on spreading your wealth, building those relationships, and most importantly, paying everything back as agreed, doing the pledge loans, 5 or more banking products with each credit union. Focus on the relationships, guys, because there's nothing bad that's going to come of it unless you do something that's going to affect your relationship. Remember, no overdrafts. Don't even let your accounts really get below $50. All right. Make sure you have overdraft protection set up, because even one overdraft in your bank account can really damage your rating directly with the bank. That could prevent you from getting approved for a pledge loan, aka secured loan, that's really funded by your own savings. But if you constantly are showing that you're not able to manage things properly, you're not able to manage your financial obligations, they're not going to give you that opportunity. And credit is an opportunity. Credit is a tool. It's a game changer. And you got to take it serious, because it's getting harder and harder to run from your mistakes. And, it's time to level up, change that mindset, and focus on slow and steady success, right? Long-term success. Stop being in the fast lane. It's not going to do anything for you. You want to go slow and steady. That's always going to win the race. You're going to stay in the game. And that's what I'm here for, helping you stay in the game, my friend. All right. So if you are new here, remember, subscribe, check in below in the comments, and most importantly, comment the word kit. I'll send you my free credit kit that has this presentation in it. Take action. I'll see you next time. Bye.